Hey there, fellow social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to check your scheduled posts on the Facebook app in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who likes to plan ahead, this feature can help you stay on top of your posts without any surprises. So, let's jump right in and get you sorted in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. This is crucial because Facebook updates its features regularly, and we're talking about the 2025 interface here. Once you're all set, open the app and log in to your account if you haven't already. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That's the one with your picture or initials. Next, look for the three horizontal lines or the menu icon, usually in the top right. This is your gateway to more options. Tap on it and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select that. Under Settings and Privacy, find and tap on Settings. Now, scroll through the options until you spot Posts or Publishing Tools. This might vary slightly based on your account type, but it's typically under the Your Information section. Once you're in the right area, look for Scheduled Posts or something similar. Tap on that, and voila! You'll see a list of all your upcoming posts, complete with dates, times, and even a preview. You can edit, delete, or reschedule them from here if needed. It's that straightforward. One quick tip: if you're managing a page instead of a personal profile, you might need to switch to the page first by going to the menu and selecting Pages. This ensures you're viewing the correct scheduled content. And remember, always double-check your posts before they go live to avoid any mishaps. There you have it. That's how you check scheduled posts on the Facebook app in 2025. It's a game changer for keeping your content calendar organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.